Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and in this video I will show you how to find the default installed apps from Microsoft Store on Windows 11 in no time. So what you have to do is open up an instance of File Explorer, then head over to your default Windows drive, which is the C drive, and afterwards make sure to scroll down until you find the Program Files folder and just double click on it. Now in here, click on the View tab and afterwards hover over Show and tick the box next to Hidden Items, so make sure that this option is selected. Now scroll down until you will find the Windows Apps folder, and that's pretty much it. From here on you can just access this folder, as this is the default folder for the Microsoft Store applications. But if you get a message like Access Denied, make sure to right click on it and select the Properties option. Now in here, head over to the Security tab and then click on Advanced, and from here on select the Change button next to Owner. Now click on Advanced once again and here select the Find Now button. What you have to do in here is make sure that your username as an administrator or as a username is selected, then click on OK to save the changes, then again on OK, and afterwards tick the box next to Replace Owner on subcontainers and objects. Now click on Apply and OK to save the changes, wait a bit until the ownership will be changed, and that's pretty much it. From here on you can just open up the folder and explore it as you will. Super simple, isn't it? Of course, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more quality content. Thank you.